Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into 10 essential tools available on Amazon that every DIYer needs in their arsenal. Whether you're a pro or just starting, these tools are guaranteed to make your projects faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Sunex 1,500-pound wheel dolly is a game-changer for anyone needing to maneuver heavy wheels or vehicles easily. Its robust design and dimensions of 42.1 by 27.9 by 8.7 inches. It's built to handle demanding tasks while ensuring user safety and convenience. Its oversized L-shaped foot pedal is a thoughtful feature, preventing toe injuries during operation. A simple yet effective touch for hassle-free use. Unlike traditional hydraulic units, this dolly features a sturdy ratcheting design that requires no maintenance, making it a reliable and cost-effective choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The inclusion of locking casters on the outboard wheels provides added stability, securing the load in place and meeting rigorous ASM EPA-LD 2014 standards for safety and performance. Transporting the dolly is equally convenient, thanks to a well-designed carrying handle integrated into its side. This feature makes portability effortless, whether you're working in a shop or moving it between job sites. The Sunex 1,500-pound wheel dolly combines functionality, safety, and durability, making it an indispensable tool for handling heavy-duty projects with confidence and ease. Number 2. The Wien Cable Stripper Number 4 to 28H is a precision tool designed for the efficient and safe stripping of round cables with diameters ranging from 4 to 28 millimeters. It is ideal for handling moisture-proof cables and ensures fast, reliable performance for various electrical tasks. This cable stripper features a progressively adjustable cutting depth, controlled by an adjustment screw at the end of the handle. This prevents accidental damage to inner conductors, providing accurate results with every use. One of its standout features is the self-rotating cutting blade integrated into the housing, which automatically switches between round and longitudinal cutting modes. This makes stripping even complex cables seamless and efficient. Additionally, the number 4 to 28H is equipped with a hooked blade, offering added versatility for various cable types and stripping techniques. Durable, user-friendly, and engineered for precision, the Wien Cable Stripper Number 4 to 28H is a must-have for professionals and DIYers who prioritize accuracy and efficiency in their electrical work. Number 3. The Drywall Repair Kit is the ultimate solution for fixing minor wall damage quickly and efficiently. This wall mending agent simplifies repairs, allowing you to address issues like cracks, nail holes, and peeling paint with ease. Simply squeeze the paste onto the damaged area and scrape it smooth for a quick drying, almost invisible patch. It's a fast and effective way to restore your walls to their original condition. Crafted from environmentally friendly materials like wall glue, resin, and carbonate cover, this repair kit is safe to use and offers excellent scrub resistance. It's waterproof and designed to handle everyday wear, ensuring durable and lasting results. The white and delicate finish blends seamlessly with most walls, making repairs look professional. The fast-drying formula has strong adhesion and crack resistance, allowing you to fill holes and seal cracks in no time. Ideal for use in homes, schools, and offices, this versatile repair cream tackles everything from nail holes and wall cracks to graffiti and stains. With this easy-to-use kit, wall damage is no longer a hassle. It's a quick fix for a flawless finish. Number 4. The Liberton Strap Wrench Set offers versatile and efficient solutions for a wide range of tasks. This set includes 2 adjustable wrenches, each tailored for different sizes and needs. The large wrench adjusts from 1.5 to 6 inches with a thickness of 0.2 inches, while the small wrench ranges from 0.39 to 4 inches with a thickness of 0.1 inches. Both are designed to handle various objects with precision and ease. Made with high-quality reinforced rubber, the durable straps ensure surfaces are protected from scratches and scuffs during use. The flexible straps adapt to any shape, making the tool suitable for diverse applications, from cylindrical objects to irregular shapes. The locking mechanism on these wrenches simplifies operation. By simply rotating the handle, The strap tightens without additional adjustments. Arrow markings on the handle guide the rotation direction for effortless tightening or loosening. This multifunctional tool is perfect for tasks such as removing or fitting oil filters, tube joints, water filters, fuel filters, and even jar lids. For optimal use, especially with lids, ensure the strap is centered to avoid slippage. Durable, easy to use, and widely applicable, the Liberton strap wrench set is a reliable addition to any toolkit. Number 5. The K-Brand's auger drill bit for planting makes yard work faster, easier, and more enjoyable. This value pack includes 2 easy-to-use auger bits that attach effortlessly to any standard 3/8-inch hex bit drill. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or tackling outdoor projects, this tool ensures digging is no longer a chore. Perfect for planting bulbs, bedding plants, or digging holes for fence posts, ground lights, outdoor torches, and umbrellas. This spiral drill bit is versatile and indispensable. Its robust design and functionality make it your go-to tool for a variety of yard work tasks. Say goodbye to sore hands and endless digging. This auger drill bit significantly reduces the time and effort required for planting or installing, allowing you to create multiple holes in just minutes. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the 16-inch long auger is built to tackle loose soil, hard ground, clay, sand, and even ice with ease. Designed for durability and performance, this tool lets you enjoy your gardening and yard tasks without strain or blisters. The K-Brand's auger drill bit is the ultimate solution for efficient digging, giving you more time to appreciate your outdoor spaces. Number 6. The DBest Products Trolley Dolly is a versatile, lightweight, and durable folding cart designed to make life easier. Its oversized, heavy-duty wheels effortlessly handle various terrains, from supermarket aisles to sandy beaches, and can easily climb broken curbs or high sidewalks without trouble. This collapsible cart is exceptionally portable, folding down in half for compact storage when not in use. You can conveniently store it in the trunk of your car, under a bed, or in a closet or garage, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. With multifunctional uses, the trolley dolly serves as a shopping cart, grocery cart, utility cart, or foldable cart, requiring little to no assembly. Its weatherproof material keeps your belongings safe and dry from rain, snow, or other elements, ensuring reliable performance in all conditions. The soft, ergonomic cushion handle reduces stress on your hands, providing added comfort during use. The trolley dolly also boasts ample storage space, featuring 7 compartments, including a beverage holder, front flap pocket, inner pouch, rear pocket, and more. Whether running errands or heading to the beach, this cart ensures your essentials are always within reach, combining convenience with practicality. Number 7. The P200 Power Circuit Probe Kit is an advanced diagnostic tool designed for automotive systems, offering over 15 essential functions to simplify car troubleshooting and repair. Combining multiple tools into one, this kit includes a multimeter, oscilloscope, continuity tester, relay tester, and more. It allows you to test circuits, activate electrical components, and perform open and short testing with ease. Equipped with multimeter capabilities, it measures DC voltage, resistance, current, and frequency, while the oscilloscope mode displays waveform diagrams for a deeper analysis of circuit conditions. Its smart testing feature automatically detects voltage, resistance, and polarity, displaying clear results on its HD LCD screen without the need for manual input. This kit empowers you to activate electrical components like lights, motors, and solenoids directly from the probe tip, ensuring dynamic testing and fast diagnostics. A 20-foot extension cable offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to diagnose vehicle issues without disassembling wiring. Additional features include testing trailer lights, cleaning injectors, and identifying bad ground contacts. Complete with an LED light for working in dim environments, the P200 Power Circuit Probe Kit is a reliable and versatile tool, perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Number 8. The Tourist 3 Pieces Precision Pocket Ruler Metal Slide Rule Set is a versatile and essential tool for woodworking and crafting projects. This set includes 6-inch, 8-inch, and 12-inch aluminum precision rulers, providing flexibility to meet various measurement needs. Designed for craftsmen, woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts, these rulers ensure accurate and efficient measuring. Functionality goes beyond basic measuring. The rulers can be used as T-squares for vertical measurements by sliding the stop into the cutout blade, providing a stable and upright stand. Additionally, they serve as protractors, allowing easy measurement and marking of angles from 0 to 180 degrees. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, these rulers are wear-resistant, rust-proof, and lightweight. Laser-engraved markings ensure long-lasting accuracy, resisting fading even with frequent use. Compact and portable, the pocket-sized design makes these rulers easy to carry and convenient for on-the-go tasks. Whether you're in the workshop or at a job site, the Tourist Precision Pocket Ruler Set combines durability, precision, and versatility to handle a wide range of measuring and marking applications. Number 9. The Makita UX01 GZ 40V Max Lithium-Ion XGT Brushless Split Shaft is a high-performance tool designed for demanding landscaping tasks. With a powerful 1,000-watt maximum output, it delivers exceptional cutting efficiency while maintaining durability and reliability. The tool features a loop-type handle for comfortable control, making it user-friendly even during extended use. It includes overload protection and an electric brake, ensuring safety and preventing potential damage to the motor during heavy workloads. The soft start function and variable speed trigger provides precise control, while constant speed control ensures consistent performance under varying loads. A conveniently located reverse switch allows for quick removal of tangled grass clippings and weeds, adding to its ease of use. Rated with an IPX4 water-resistant level, this tool is built to withstand use in wet conditions, making it suitable for various outdoor environments. The Active Feedback Sensing Technology, AFT, adds an extra layer of safety by automatically shutting down the motor in case of a sudden drop in speed, protecting the user and the tool. Compact, powerful, and feature-packed, the Makita UX01GZ is an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling tough outdoor jobs. Number 10. The Works 4V electric screwdriver is designed to provide convenience and efficiency for all your DIY projects. It features a quick-draw bit change system, allowing you to switch between 6 different bits with just a slide action changer. This makes it easy to alternate between Phillips, flathead, and other commonly used bits with the flick of your thumb. The 4V Max Lithium battery is both efficient and long-lasting, holding a charge for up to 18 months. Even after long periods of inactivity, the screwdriver will be ready to go when you need it. One of the standout features is the screw holder, which keeps screws in place, enabling you to use the screwdriver with just one hand. This innovative design makes tasks quicker and easier. The tool also includes an internal rapid reloadable cartridge, ensuring you never lose a bit. No more searching through pockets or dealing with bits falling out. Works tools, including the screwdriver, are engineered with cutting-edge technology and built to last, offering a cost-effective solution for your tool collection. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, the Works 4V electric screwdriver is a reliable and efficient addition to your toolkit.